सो गाइस, आपको मेरा कोर्स कैसा लगा? ये चीज़ों से मेरी लाइफ बदल चुकी है। लाइक अब मेरा इनकम सोर्स है ना, एक यूट्यूब के थ्रू आ रहा है। लाइक यूट्यूब एसईओ मेरी सर्विस प्रोवाइड करता हूँ, लाइक यूट्यूब एसईओ वाली। सो उसके थ्रू भी मेरे को इनकम जनरेट हो रहा है। एंड वेबसाइट का तो मेन सोर्स है मेरा। सो लाइक वेबसाइट डिजाइनिंग के लिए चार्ज करता हूँ। ई कॉमर्स साइट भी मैं डिजाइन करके देता हूँ। सो ये थी मेरा कंप्लीट स्ट्रैटेजी बिहाइंड द बिजनेस। एंड आपको इंस्टाग्राम मार्केटिंग के ऊपर भी वीडियोस चाहिए, कर सकते हैं। आपके जो भी क्लाइंट को आप इंस्टाग्राम मार्केटिंग के ऊपर भी एजुकेट करेंगे। इंस्टाग्राम और फेसबुक पेजेस मेंटेन करो और इंस्टाग्राम पर रेगुलर से आप वीडियोस डालो। प्रोफेशनल अकाउंट ओपन करने के बाद आप इंस्टाग्राम के ऊपर कंसिस्टेंसी से डेली पोस्ट क्रिएट करें और वीडियोस डालें। इसके थ्रू आपको ऑनलाइन से भी क्लाइंट्स आएंगे। ये बिजनेस मॉडल उनको बताना है। थैंक यू गाइस, आई थिंक आपको बहुत यूजफुल रहेगा ये फ्री वाला कोर्स।
Go to the Google and search interior design works near me. Scroll down, click view all, where we can find number of business listing on Google My Business according to the interior design keyword. Okay, click here this website and open this one and open in a new tab. So check out it is their website or not. So there is no website because the URL is facebook.com/interior17. so they had created only a page, so you can contact them and tell us that sir, you have don't website, so we can create your website to come online to get your success from online, and like to show your projects on online you need a website. So you can talk with them and I will show another ones. And scroll down, planners and interiors, click to open website. So here it is, there is no website, it was just a Google My Business template. You can make a call from here also and said like them, sir, you don't have website, so I am contacting you. So already I have told you the script. You can make a call, you can even call every person on the website. There is just a template on there and you can make a call with them. You have installed only a single template. I can make a website. Find the number here also, you can make a call with the number 2 and discuss the things. Okay, this how you can find out the clients. I am opening this Kartikeya Interiors. Here they have a professional website, we don't call them. So we leave this Kartikeya Interiors and again we have to go down and search for a new client like Rama Devi. Sorry, I misspelled their name. So you can click on that. Here there is number, you can make a call with this number also, and talk with them and click the website if had or not. So here also there is no website, it was just a template of Google My Business. So make them call and tell them to create a website. Okay, this way you can find your clients. Okay, go to my website. I had already created a website on interior design works. So open this website, get idea about how you can create a interior design works website. So what theme I had used for that, which plugins are used for that, and what is the design. So you can same as this copy this website design for your client. Okay, so how to find out, the main reason is how to find out which theme is used in this WordPress website and which plugins are used. So to know about that ones, I will share you something interesting. Okay, go to the new tab and search for WordPress theme detector and go to the first website and you can search any website link URL on that, and it will shows which themes, which premium plugins, and what the all things are used on that. So you can get idea about that and you can design as it is the same. Okay, this is the whole thing. Rosa light theme is used, and scroll down, theme forest used, elementor page builder used, ninja form use, and smush use, USTS use, which I had already shown you in my free course. So you can check out these things. Okay. To join the Bluehost affiliate program, open a new tab and search for bluehost.in and scroll down to the top end and click here affiliates. So you can join their affiliate program and sign up for this affiliate program. Before that, you have to read this privacy policy, how you can get money. So how many sales you have to done to get money on the bank account. That's it. If you feel any doubt, make a call with me. My number is in my website and my bio.
Bye bye.